Welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
Today, guys, we're in Santa Claus, Indiana.
Woo!
At Holiday World. We brought our grandkids. Come along with us. Holiday World began as Santa Claus Land, which opened August the 3rd, 1946. The theme park included a toy shop, toy displays, a restaurant, themed children's rides, and of course, Santa. It is the nation's oldest theme park. Over the decades, Santa Claus Land flourished. Children from all across the country came to sit on Santa's knee. As the park grew, the Koch family knew Christmas was not the only theming possibility for the park. In 1984, Santa Claus Land expanded to also include Halloween and 4th of July sections, and the park's name was changed to Holiday World. The park offers unlimited free soft drinks and sunscreen. And who doesn't love a good carousel ride? Here we are in the 4th of July section.
You're ready? Let's get cracking.
Get cracking! Whoa! Woo! Firecrackers! Woo!
Very careful launch.
Yeah, because it goes up and then it'll go down.
You're gonna get wet! There's nothing like riding a ride and coming off sopping wet. You look wet to me.
He does to me too.
My underwear's all wet.
We then had to ride the flying birds to dry off. Then we came into Holodog's Fun Town with the nursery rhyme train ride. This is a ride we remember taking our children on, and now we're taking our grandchildren.
Jack and Jill.
Went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and cracked his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. And now we come to the Halloween section, which features the Raven wooden roller coaster introduced in 1995. It has been voted one of the world's top wooden roller coaster each year since. The legend was added also in the year 2000. We didn't ride any of the big coasters since we had our grandkids with us, but we did get to see some shows.
We'll take it up to 36 inches. The dogs have to time it just right. The louder you cheer, the higher they go. All right, let's see what happens. Come on, make some noise for Missy. And right over the successful jump. And now we'll see if Mr. Hollywood can tie it up. Come on, get loud for him out there, red team. Here we go.
All right, everybody, nice and loud. Ready? Set, go! Off she goes. Look at that. Over we go. Back through. Can she get the catch? She's got it. If he does it just right, make sure you cheer for him.
The bubble makers were a big hit with the kiddos and the face painting.
Like many other sports, have been pushing the envelope, taking athletes to the next level and introducing a brand new element, going to the extreme. 2.5. Here comes Portland to start things off. See what she's got. Lovely flying. Here comes Trey now for our second dive. See what he's got. It's a huge 1.5 flip. Absolutely gigantic.
Oh my gosh! It's my fire!
What a burn, and there he goes, head first into the water. Woo! There they go. Look at that. Perfect spacing, near perfect timing.
Splashin Safari features 2 water coasters, wave pools, a river, family raft rides, and mini water slides. We hung out in the small kids section since we had our grandkids. We exited back through the Christmas section. What a fun day.
Thanks for joining us today, guys, at Holiday World. What a blast.
Guys, we had a great time here today. If you would, go ahead and please press that subscribe button. It really helps us out. And give this video a big thumbs up.
We'll see you next time on Retired
And loving it.
If you'd like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.